Hello, this is Jasper the Fox, and in today's video I'll be showing you my new car. I'm going to get out of the car and I'll show you around the outside, and then I'll show you the inside a bit more than what I'm showing at the moment. This is a 2016 Toyota GT86 in Starlight Blue. Of course, I've got my Foxes in the back. Okay, so we've got the updated cluster. I think the old one had like the old LED display. This one's got an actual LCD in there. Got your steering wheel. Got your track mode button, and you got your traction control button. I don't touch those. 6-speed manual. I don't want it automatic. There's your head unit, which I'm going to probably replace because I don't particularly like this one. It's alright, but it's very quiet. I want some more. I want a bit louder. I got this is a Pro version, so I got it's got the rear spoiler, and it's also got Alcantara dashboard trim. I've got leather on there and Alcantara there. There's a Fox, you probably recognise him. Right, I'll do a exhaust. I'll put the camera behind the car and then let you hear the exhaust. That's her running. There'll be more videos of this car it's also got powerful mirrors. Be more videos of this car in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video.